Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Projects. So in this video we are going to discuss the project 2, that is even and odd numbers. In the previous video I mentioned number system project. So this is the second video guys, second project. So let's start. So this is a table guys. I took a table and I mentioned numbers from 1 to 256. Okay, is up to you. You can mention up to 100. 100 is a maximum enough, or 50, or depends on the size of the paper guys. Now I mentioned alternate numbers with different colors for your identification. Now I mentioned 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, so on. I mentioned with one color, that is purple color, and remaining numbers I mentioned with pink color: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, so on up to 256. I mentioned with other color. It's up to you. You can take one row with one color and other row with other color. It's up to you. Then after mentioning that numbers, how to identify? See, I have mentioned here, this pink indicates the even numbers and the purple indicates the odd numbers. Yes or no? Now, so I have mentioned even note also here. In nothing but the properties of even and odd numbers guys under plus operation. So pink indicates even number. Yes or no? As of this project, pink indicates the even numbers. Therefore, if you take the sum of two even numbers, what is the result we get? What is the output we get? Let me check. 4 is a even number, 6 is a even number. I took the sum, we get 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 10 is also even number. Therefore, the sum of two even numbers is always a even number guys. Now coming to even number and odd number. If you take the sum of even number and odd number, what is the result we get? Let me check. Sum of even number and odd number. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 is a odd number. Yes or no? Is a odd number. Now, if you take two odd numbers, then what is the result? I took two odd numbers. 19 plus 21. 19 plus 21 is 40 guys. What is 40 here? 40 is even number, right? Therefore, the sum of two odd numbers is even number guys. Okay. So I hope you understand this project. This is a very simple project, and even properties also. Properties I hope everyone understand these properties. So I hope you understand this project also. Okay, in the next video I am going to upload the next content. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay, and thank you for watching guys. If anything needed, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.